That's classic. Yo, it came out really good. Look at this. Alright guys, so we're making a reindeer this time. The new project, okay? Follow me with the new project. Reindeer all the way. Alright, so now we're going to take at least 4 of these. The dead end ones, okay? Yeah, let's get the short ones first. You know, we can make decent ones with these. We'll save all the big ones. Okay, I thought you were watching. You ain't watching. Alright. Alright, so we got these. We gotta just bring out the good old ones. These are decent. Alright, so I'm gonna cut these up. Don't really matter. Just still don't have enough. This one's toughy. Crack, come on. There we go. Whew. Alright, that was a tough one, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. So we're gonna cut the rest of this off. We don't need any of this. Because then it's gonna, because here, I'll use the other scissors are. Drop it. Myself and I here. So, it's like, this will look good. Just do it. Put some more glue on there. Just have it on myself here. Alright. Upside down so it doesn't. I'm shoving some of these little pieces in the. Got myself.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. He's falling over. He just stayed in his spot. guys, we're just done, guys. Look at this guy. We built it. We did it. Look at that. My arms came out a little, looking like crouching, but it's very good support. I mean, I could go and fix it, but I don't mind. It's fine, you know. Looking good, right? Yeah. Look at the nose. Oh, well, hold on a second. We're not done yet, though. The nose is still. Look at you guys, little. Ha! That's classic. Yo, it came out really good. Look at this. Wow, this guy's cute. He's cute and really strong. I mean, no nose. Should I paint it red for Rudolph? No, it's fine. Nah, look at how cool that is. Let's just show him around. The back, I had to paint it. Still paint it. So there we go. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. You know, subscribe. Hopefully you'll like it. Check, comment if you think it's silly, if you think needs work. You know. And anyways, stay tuned. Live life, have fun, hit record, and have a blessed day. Peace.